Today we're going to take you to the top of the Sydney Harbour Hotel and show you the view from there. And we're also going to take you on a tour called the Rocks Tour. It's a walking tour that takes you around areas of Sydney. So I hope you enjoy this one. So this is the view from the top of my hotel, the Sydney Harbour Hotel. It is about 6 a.m. and it looks like it's going to be a beautiful day. So I got up pretty early to see this. It was the sunrise coming over the horizon. The sky was perfectly clear. You could see the Sydney Harbour House. I mean, look at that. That's amazing. And it doesn't look that far away, but it is quite a walk. You have to go all the way around Circular Quay. And if you look in the Sydney Harbour River, you can see the ferries already started working. And a lot of people use these ferries to get to the islands or to the other parts of Sydney so they can get to work or whatever they're doing for the day. But look at that sunrise. Isn't it just gorgeous? So like I said, this is at the top of the Sydney Harbour Hotel where their pool is, and there's a big area where you can have drinks and stuff. Going up though, you have to walk stairs. There's no elevator up here, and these are the pictures that were in the hallways going up the stairs. So this is after the sun came up and I was still hanging out up there. And this is our room, and that is Michelle, and the rooms are awesome there, so we had a good time. So from here we're going to start our Rocks tour, and the Rocks are an area where it's Sydney's oldest neighborhood, and it's one of the most character-filled attractions. It has historic precinct blends, cobblestone streets, sandstone buildings, lively markets, and harbor views. So it offers visitors a fascinating glimpse into Sydney's past alongside great food, culture, and waterfront walks. So these buildings right here are all sandstones, and they were built by convicts. The roads are made of granite. So the horses would come down this lane right here from the ships, and then they would drop the merchandise off up there, and they would be lifted all the way up. And that's how they did things back in the day. So look at this, all sandstone. Rocks is considered the birthplace of modern Sydney, and featuring attractions like the Sydney Harbour Bridge and various heritage pubs. So the Rocks were established shortly after the British settlement in 1788. The Rocks were initially home to convicts and sailors. The area features many significant colonial buildings, including some of Sydney's oldest pubs, such as the Fortune of War, which was opened in 1828, the Lord Nelson Brewery, which was opened in 1831, and the Hero of Waterloo, which is opened in 1845. This is the oldest convict building in the Rocks. this is the Sydney cruise ship terminal. As you can tell, the Carnival Splendor is there right now. But it's right here. Easy peasy to get to. The Rocks is conveniently located near Circular Quay, making it easy access to public transport, including trains, buses, and ferries. So you can explore the area on foot, and you can hop on public transport to get a little bit further out. This was a really cool area. So this is the Rocks area where the military stayed in, and they would stay up in these Rocks areas. See where the steps are? That would go up into their houses, which were eventually demolished. So this is a hallway that led from one end of the building to the other side of the building, and they were real small hallways, and they had them in all of the buildings. Go over here and check this out. So this is the Rocks area. I hope you enjoyed this video on the Sydney Harbour Hotel and the Rocks tour in Sydney. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And remember, it's up to you to make it fun and make it yours. We'll see you the next time.